In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exclude a segment in Mailchimp. We'll walk through this step by step so you can make sure the right people get your emails, and anyone you want to leave out is properly excluded. This is especially useful if you have contacts you don't want to email about a specific promotion or topic, but you still want to keep them in your audience overall. First, log into your Mailchimp account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a main navigation menu there. Click on the option labeled Campaigns. This takes you to a page where you can see a list of all your existing campaigns. Find the campaign where you want to exclude a segment. Take a moment to double-check the campaign name so you're sure you're editing the right one. On the right side of that campaign, you'll see an Edit option. Click Edit to open up the campaign settings. Now you'll see the main campaign setup view, which includes sections like To, From, Subject, Send Time, and Content. For excluding a segment, we're going to work inside the To section, because that's where you control who will receive the email. Click directly on the To area, and it will expand to show more options. Inside this expanded view, look for the Send To field. Click on the Send To field, and you'll see an option to plus target segment. Click plus target segment to set up the rules that determine who should be included or excluded. A segment builder will appear where you can define filters. In the first drop-down field, choose tags. Tags are labels you've applied to your contacts, and they're a simple way to group people. In the next drop-down, choose Contact is not tagged. This is the key step that lets you exclude a specific group. In the last field, pick the tag that represents the contacts you want to exclude from this campaign. Once your filters are set, go to the top right of the pop-up and click Review Segment. The pop-up will reload to show you a summary, so you can confirm that the conditions and tag are correct. If everything looks good, click Use Segment in the top right. Then, back in the campaign view, click Save in the To section to apply these changes. And that's it. You've now set up your Mailchimp campaign so that anyone with that specific tag will be excluded from receiving this email.